Hey everyone, meteorologist Rich Von Owen for Weather Express. Quick weather update here on this Monday. So after the snow over the weekend and the deep freeze in play right now, we've got some nice changes coming in this week. I think we'll start to warm things up, start to melt some of that snow and feel a little bit better across our region. But for now, though, it's still kind of cold. And we go into Tuesday where the cold eases a bit. The wind will drop out. It's going to be mostly in the 30s and 40s. And then we even flirt with 50 going into Wednesday. So it's going to feel kind of nice and still okay for Thursday, still fairly mild before we start to get a chance of rain and maybe a thunderstorm going into early Friday. So the jet stream flow next 10 to 15 days heading into the week of Christmas. We're still there with some cold shots coming down the jet stream, some of the blue there, but it's not as frequent and not as intense. More of a zonal flow across the nation, not as big with that grip of the polar vortex. So we'll get cold now and then, but just not as cold, not as crazy as we saw the last couple of weeks. Water temps 30s and 40s across the area, and the Climate Center does indicate that we're just on the edge of that nice mild warm air to the southwest of us. I think if anything, we'll be kind of back and forth with some of the cold shots coming in. You can see our Long Island 7-day, at least 47 on Wednesday, 50 on Thursday, cloudy. Good chance of showers, maybe some good downpours there for Friday before we get chilly again for Saturday and then bounce back again for Sunday. So up and down weather, but not as crazy cold as we've had the last couple of weeks. Have a great week.